Did you know that Facebook isn't just for connecting with friends or sharing memes?
With nearly 3 billion active users, that's almost half the planet, it's one of the biggest platforms for making money online.
Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or someone just starting out, Facebook can be a goldmine if you know how to use it right. Imagine turning your daily scrolls into a steady income stream. Sounds exciting, right? Plus, it's a lot more productive than watching yet another cat video, though we're not judging. Today, I'll show you 7 powerful ways to make money with Facebook. Grab a pen and let's dive in. 1. Sell products on Facebook Marketplace. Let's start with something simple. Selling on Facebook Marketplace. This feature lets you list items for sale to people in your area. Whether it's handmade crafts, second-hand items, or even brand new products, you can find buyers easily. Fun fact, in 2024 alone, over 1 billion people used Facebook Marketplace each month. That's a lot of potential buyers waiting for your products. Pro tip, take clear, attractive photos and write detailed descriptions to stand out. And hey, resist the urge to include your cat in every picture, unless you're selling cat toys. 2. Create a Facebook shop. If you're running a small business, a Facebook shop is perfect for showcasing your products. It's like having an online store directly on Facebook, making it super easy for customers to browse and buy. Use tools like Shopify to integrate your store seamlessly and offer a smooth shopping experience. Fun challenge. Try naming your shop something catchy that's hard to forget, like the Snazzy Sock Shop. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing on Facebook can be a game changer. Share affiliate links in groups, pages, or posts and earn commissions whenever someone makes a purchase through your link. Did you know? Affiliate marketing is projected to grow to a $36.9 billion industry by 2030. Why not grab a slice of that pie? Make sure your content provides value, like product reviews or tutorials, so your audience trusts your recommendations. Pro tip, avoid spammy posts. No one likes a buy this now vibe. 4. Monetize a Facebook page. If you have a Facebook page with a decent following, you can monetize it through ads, sponsored posts, or collaborations with brands. Pages focused on niches like fitness, fashion, or tech often attract sponsorship deals. Fun fact, some top Facebook pages make thousands of dollars per month just by posting consistently. Now that's a side hustle worth scrolling for. Pro tip, keep your content engaging and consistent to grow your page organically. And yes, memes are totally valid content. 5. Offer services through groups. Facebook groups are a hotspot for finding potential clients. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, or a social media manager, join groups in your niche and offer your services. Engage with posts, answer questions, and showcase your expertise to build trust and credibility. Remember though, nobody likes the person who enters a group and immediately shouts, "Hire me!" Build relationships first. 6. Run Facebook ads for others. Are you good at running ads? Many small businesses struggle with Facebook ads and are willing to pay someone to handle them. Offer ad management services and help businesses reach their target audience. Fun fact, Facebook's ad revenue hit $131.9 billion in 2023. Businesses are clearly spending big bucks here, and you can help them do it smarter. Showcase your skills with case studies or testimonials to land more clients. And hey, if you can explain ad metrics without putting people to sleep, you're already ahead. 7. Sell digital products. Finally, use Facebook to sell digital products like eBooks, courses, or templates. Promote your offerings through posts, stories, or even live sessions. Hot tip, titles sell. Instead of Budget Planner ebook, try Crush Your Debt in 30 Days, the ultimate budget planner. See the difference? Use platforms like Gumroad or Teachable to host your products and make the purchase process seamless. Which of these strategies are you ready to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your goals and ideas. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and earning strategies.